Josh, how are you, mate?
Yourself?
Oh, very good. Wish we could shake hands, but we can elbow tap. There you go. Hey, how are your classes going?
Yeah, really good.
Yeah?
Yeah, just had a project in science. Everyone got it done and got in.
Very good.
Very, very good.
So they always know what they need to have done?
Question? Yeah. They're pretty good. They're all over it.
That's fantastic. Maybe we should make sure, Mrs. Osterman, that
Yeah, I'm not sure if our people know what they have to do by now. Maybe we should go over it.
maybe we should go over it. Let's take them through to the Year 9 Google Classroom. What's the most important thing that they need to know, Miss Osterman?
Well, first of all, they have to hint in the Industrial Revolutions project by now, which does not include a video presentation. No video presentation.
So no video presentation for the Industrial Revolutions model. They need to have made sure they've done week 1 development and transport. Yeah.
And then followed by week 2.
Week 2, how the Industrial Revolution affected the lives of men, women and children. And then what are they doing this week?
Well, they're looking at Oliver Twist, so they're watching the movie. Hopefully they've watched it by now, and then they're writing an amazing short story about it.
Oh, so they've got
Someone
to,
from the Oliver Twist days.
so they've got to make sure they've done their Industrial Revolution model task and the Oliver Twist
Yeah.
movie short story.
That's right. And, Mr. Johnson, we had some concerns about civics,
Ah.
about the Parliament report. We had a lot of questions about that.
A lot of questions. So if you've got questions about civics, jump over to the Civics Google Classroom. You're going to see there's a video being posted there that hopefully answers your question. Make sure that you read slowly, read instructions for understanding, read at least 3 times, and then shoot us any questions via email if you still have them. We look forward to seeing all of the amazing work that you have in Year 9 Humanities. We'll see you soon.